back to my channel, and as you can see, I am holding a skirt. It has little Sesame Street characters on it, so I plan to upcycle this shirt into something for my little niece. Her birthday is on the 31st, October 31st, so of course y'all know we gotta make her something a little different. So let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and go. I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want you to know that you are the special. Alright y'all, this is how it's looking so far. I got some cleaning up to do, but I believe I'm going to take the arms off, and I'm just going to make this a little puffer vest. I think that'll be so much cuter. And I got her some pink croc boots to go with it, so this is going to look so cute.